So when we went to break, right? We are learning the vertex form of parabola. Would you please write it down? Y equal a x minus h squared plus k. Remember this? From here, we learned that there's a word we learned, vertex. Who can tell me what is the vertex in here? If you can remember.
Vertex is
H and K.
yeah, H and K.
There's another phrase we learned.
Vertex and the point and the
Axis of
symmetry. Yeah, symmetry. Yeah.
what is the formula for axis of x equal h? This is what we learned before, right?
Yeah.
We will be using this information today again to solve today's class problems. Now compare this vertex form with the one given. Now you may ask me, I put here fx, but here is y. They're the same thing. Fx means function of x. Function of x. Well, y is the function of x.
Yeah.
Okay? Now tell me this.
Vertical.
What will be the vertex for this?
The vertex 4 and 6.
Awesome. 4 comma 6, right?
Yeah.
Also, can you tell me what is axis of symmetry?
Symmetry at 1 minute.
Not right.
3.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Not 3, not 4, not 6. X equal.
You're not saying it correctly. You need to say x equal.
Wait, hold up.
Oh,
What do you say?
X equal what?
X equal
4.
The formula is x equal h, right?
yeah.
Whatever your h is,
It's 4.
don't say 4. You need to say x equal 4.
X equal 4.
When you say 4, it doesn't mean anything.
So it's just
When I say the axis of symmetry, we are referring to a line, right? So, axis, it means a line, right? When you say a line, you need to say x equal 4. Cannot just say 4.
Yeah.
Make sense? Who can tell me what is the axis of symmetry? What is that?
The symmetry. Oh, symmetry.
Yeah, what does axis of symmetry means?
Yeah, 4.
C equals H.
Marcus, you're right, but you need to make a sentence. You're right, but what is that? Okay, think about someone who don't know about this. You're explaining them axis of symmetry, right? Yes,
It's like a line you're reflecting points on the other side.
that is correct. That is also acceptable, right? It's a line, right? Also, can I say a line that cut the parabola into half, right? We're going to see it in a second. So when someone cut me in the middle here, this side will be same as that side, right? My face, you cut here, same thing, right?
Yeah, the line is the same.
This
here.
in the middle is the axis of symmetry. When you cut something in the middle and make the same thing to the both sides, we call that line axis of symmetry. We're good? Now here, let's draw them. What is the first thing when you draw this? So we got the vertex from the equation. We got the axis of symmetry, right?
Axis the Vertex open, right?
So let's draw this.
Ibrahim Zofari reports the main office. Ibrahim Zofari reports the main office.
Now boys, question. By looking at this point 4, 6, can you tell me in what quadrant in here it would be? Your parabola would be here, 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 here.
It's beyond that side.
First quadrant, right? Because both of them are positive. Good job. Let's label them first. So we are drawing the parabola right now, okay? Remember, when you are making this, labeling this graph, you need to make them even, equally spaced. Name this axis as x-axis and y-axis. Grab this 4, 6.
Ibrahim Rashad.
4, 6, okay? This is the first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So that's a bit.
Are we in the same page? So draw this. Then how do I draw the axis of symmetry? Axis of symmetry is the line that goes on that point, goes on the vertex. When you draw a line through that vertex, this is the axis of symmetry. Get up, Hamid.
I just lost my thank you.
Here's a question. Mister, you last week when you were teaching us, you gave us the any point, remember?
Yeah.
Here's no any point. How do I graph it? Now this is what you're going to do. Are we following? Choose the point that's the nearest from this mirror or axis of symmetry. What point is the nearest to this line? This is x equals 4, right? 3 or 5. Either you can choose 3 or 5. This is the closest. So this is the, I'm going to put 3. Okay? I'm going to plot 3 into this equation here. So let's see. F of 3 from here. F of 3 equal 3 parentheses 3 minus 4 squared plus 6. We following? In the place of x, you put 3. What did I do?
Okay, so you put 3 because you got that from the mirror. So it could be 5.
It could be 5. You get the same answer. I'm going to show you how you get the same answer. Okay? So you plug 3 for the x. Now, 3 minus 4. Let's pretend you don't have a calculator. Okay? Let's do it in our head. 3 minus 4 is? Negative 1. Now, negative 1 squared.
What?
Negative 1 times negative 1. Positive 1. Positive 1 times 3. 3. 3 plus 6.
9.
Khalas. So get the point is 3, 9. Because 3 for the x, you got y is a 9. Question. Now plot it. For 3, you got 9. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We good? How far away, how many steps to the left is this point from the mirror? From the axis of symmetry is 1 step to the left. So you go to the right 1 step, which is this. Now this is the 5, right? For 5 you also get 9. Did you see that? So if you would put here 5, you would get the same thing. Let's see how. 5 let's pretend that it was 5, okay? 5 minus 4 is 1 squared. 1 times 3. 3 plus 6. See that? We're done actually, right? If I had this. Now smooth curve. Don't make it is a V. Try to make it as an U, okay? And this arrow sign, what does arrow sign represent?
Vertex.
Arrow sign represent is ongoing, endless, continuous. This both arrow signs going continuously. So look at this. This point is the vertex, right?
Yeah.
Vertex is the lowest, the minimum point, the lowest point of the parabola. If my parabola was open down, I would have the highest point. Yeah, and the A would be negative. Good job. I'm glad that you remember it. Now we're going to do the next one, another one, okay?
How would it be negative, bro?
Let me show you. If it was like here, look at this A. Negative 2, right? So let me write it down and you're going to try this. Number 2 for me. Copy it, number 2, fx, negative 2, x plus 9 squared minus 5. We'll do the same thing. So for number 2, fx equal negative 2 parentheses x plus 9 squared minus 5. So you're going to show me that vertex, then axis of symmetry, then draw it. That way I just showed you, okay?